Hello, it's me Dairam Mato from Batch 24A. Today in this video I am going to show the individual project for interactive pervasive computing. In this project I have built a simple IoT based smart doorbell by the use of ESP32 camera module, Blink app and Arduino Uno. This project will help us to ensure a well security system in the household doors. Inside this project, when someone presses a doorbell, a notification with capturing an image of visited person will be sent on the mobile phones. Also, the householder can take more photos with the same mobile phone by clicking a single button. Here, capturing images and sending notification will be done by ESP32 camera and Blink app respectively. With this camera, resolution was enough to take a good picture as it has additional flash for capturing images in a better way. As this was the introduction of the project I have done, let's move to the setup. Here you can see I have done the setup for the project. You can see the output has been shown in the Blink app in the smartphone. Now let's see the component that I have used to develop this project. The first component I have used as micro Arduino Uno microcontroller, and this is the Arduino micro USB cable which is used for giving power to the microcontroller. And the third one is male to male and male to female jumper wires. And this is the ESP32 cam which was the main microprocessor for developing this project. And this is the Blink app interface which I have used for sending notification and capturing image with the button. And this is the ID in which code has been done. Let's and this is the chart for the this working mechanism of the project. Here when someone presses the doorbell, ESP32 camera module will capture the image and send notification to the Blink app, and then the people inside the house can know who was visited to their house without opening the door, which was the advantage of this project, and can take more picture of the visitor from the Blink app. Now, and this is the flow chart of the overall whole system for the smart doorbell. Here you can see if doorbell press then capture image after 1 second delay, and then notification will be sent and the image will be displayed. And if the user want to take more photos, he or she can capture more photos, and finally he or she can open the door if he wants. This is the flow chart you can see. Now this is the circuit diagram of this project, which is simple in comparison to other circuit diagram. The connection will be same as has been done in the same as shown in the diagram. Here I have used fitting tool to do the circuit diagram of the project. Here you can see the Arduino 5V has been connected to the ESP32 camera 5V, and ground pin has been connected to ground of the ESP32, and the TX pin and RX pin are connected to the TX and RX of ESP32 cam respectively. Now you can see for uploading this code I have used Arduino, and I have used the default sketch for the smart doorbell. Here you can see I have used on this camera web server. Now this is the camera model which has been defined that I have used. and these are the some pins number, and this is the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password with authentication token has been provided, and this function will capture the image from the Blink app. This is the output of flash which will be shown from the ESP32 cam, and this is the code for running the Blink app. And with the after the doorbell press, notification will be sent to the mobile phone, and after also the image will be captured. Here you can see this is the final output in the serial monitor, which a message that are printed in serial. Here we can see the message has been printed as Wi-Fi connected, and the notification sent and the capture image has been displayed in the serial monitor output. Here you can see the after using the Blink app, the notification has been the email has been sent to the valid user with authentication token, which I have used in the sketch. Here you can see after login and creating circuit, the token has been sent, and this is the final output which I have final output of the doorbell capturing image and sending notification in the mobile phone. Now let's move for the demonstration of the project. As I have already uploaded the code and run. Here you can see I have already uploaded the code. Now let's demonstrate the overall project. Here you can see I have taken 2 button and 1 image view. If somebody come to the door and press the doorbell, here you can see after pressing the doorbell, notification as doorbell press please check has been sent in the mobile phone. Here you can see if the user want to take more photo of the visitor, he or she can take by clicking this take photo button, which will help us to know and get the clear image of the visitor. Hence, so there are many applications which can be implemented using the similar concept with this project. In the future world, this application will be further will be developed by adding one more button which can be used for opening the door by clicking the button from same mobile device. So thus using the Arduino Uno and ESP32 cam, this simple smart doorbell project has been developed successfully. This project can help us to stay connected with our house even when we are traveling. So this much in this video, and thank you for giving your valuable time for watching this video. Thank you.